Did you call, sir? Did you call? No? Okay. Did you hear anybody? There's apparently somebody was saying they needed.
Man.
How you doing?
How you doing, man?
Good.
Man.
Nice to meet you. Somebody said they needed oxygen. That was you?
Yeah.
Okay. We want to go over to the fire department.
What?
Yeah.
Hey,
You don't need oxygen?
Why need oxygen? Why you need oxygen?
11 Bravo, I'm out with one with the fire department. He's walking around in the middle of the street, rambling. Sir! Sir!
10-4-13-27.
Are you doing okay? You mind stepping out of the road? Maybe?
No? What can I do for you?
You can help, man.
Okay, I'm here to help you. So just tell me what you need. You want a detox?
Yeah.
So you want to go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Detox.
Or you want to go to the hospital?
Detox.
Alright.
Detox.
I understand.
Detox. Man, you want to say that? Detox.
They're going to take you to detox.
So I guess he doesn't want to go detox.
I don't know, man. Sir! Devontae, right?
Yeah, yes.
You want to go to detox?
Yes.
Alright, you got to get in the ambulance with them if you want to go to detox.
No. Speak to Didi.
Hey, Jen, what's the address of my cat today?
So you don't want to go to detox?
No.
Where do you want to go? Would you mind stepping out of the road for me?
No, goodbye,
What's up?
Goodbye. Tobias Pittman need help. Tobias Pittman need help.
Where's he?
Tobias Pittman need help. Tobias Pittman need help.
Who's Tobias Pittman?
Tobias Pittman need help. Tobias Pittman need help. Tobias Pittman need help.
So do you not want to go to the hospital?
Tobias Pittman need help. 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 Tobias Pittman.
Who's Tobias Pittman?
Tobias Pittman.
Who's that?
Tobias Pittman need help bad.
Okay.
Tobias Pittman need help bad.
And look out for 2 motorcycles receding in the neighborhood. No further into lookout 1329.
Can we take you to the hospital?
Yeah.
You'll go with us to the hospital?
Yeah.
You'll get in the back of the ambulance?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hey, you're going to get in the back of the ambulance, right? No? Is he wanted?
Roll over.
Anthony, relax.
Didi.
Anthony, relax. Anthony, give me your arm.
Didi.
Anthony.
No.
Step it up.
No.
Got you. Got the arm. I got you.
No.
Got him. Come on, man. Calm down. You got cuffs? You got cuffs?
Got left right there.
Arms right here under
We're at Fordson and Fordson.
Jackson under your belly. I got him, Jackson. Go ahead, let's go, Jackson.
I got his shoulders down.
I got him right here. You got him right here. Coming up.
Didi.
Got it.
Didi, I can't breathe, Didi.
All right, get him. Nobody on
Didi,
there.
I can't breathe, Didi.
No, nobody's on your neck. Nobody's on your neck, buddy.
Hey, we're going to get you rolled over. We're going to get you rolled over.
Didi, I can't breathe. Didi, I can't breathe, Didi. Didi, I can't breathe, Didi.
Hey, we're going to roll you over. Are you good?
Didi, I can't breathe, Didi. Didi, I can't breathe, Didi.
We got you on your side,
Didi, I
man.
can't breathe, Didi. Didi, I can't breathe, Didi. Didi, I'll tell you now, Didi.
I got it. I'll take it.
Didi. There you go.
Hey, you're good. Hey, breathe. Breathe. Calm down. You got it?
Yellow span.
Hey, just breathe, man.
Yellow span.
I don't know what yellow span is.
Yellow span right now. I said the yellow span right now. Yellow span right now. Yellow span right now. Yellow span. Yellow span. Yellow span. Yellow span.
Feel the leg.